In this video, we will be discussing the RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender from tplink. The product has gained popularity among users who are experiencing slow and unstable Wi-Fi signals in their homes or offices. The RE205 is designed to boost and expand the range of your wireless network, giving you a stable and reliable connection. Advantages. One of the main advantages of the RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender is its ability to increase the range of your Wi-Fi signal. It can expand the coverage of your wireless network to areas that were previously out of range, such as basements, attics, and outdoor spaces. Additionally, the device can improve the speed and reliability of your Wi-Fi signal by reducing interference from other devices and boosting the signal strength. Technical features. The RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender is equipped with dual-band technology, which allows it to support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless networks. It also features two external antennas that can be adjusted to provide optimal signal strength and coverage. The device supports IEEE 802.11bgn and 802.11ac Wi-Fi standards and can deliver speeds of up to 750 megabits per second. The device can be easily set up using the WPS button or through the tplink Tether app, which is available for download on both iOS and Android devices. The app allows you to manage and monitor your Wi-Fi network from anywhere, as well as set up a guest network and parental controls. Drawbacks. One of the drawbacks of the RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender is that it may not work with all routers. It is recommended that you check the compatibility of your router before purchasing the device. Additionally, the device does not support the MIMO technology, which allows multiple devices to connect to the network simultaneously. Price and coverage. The RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender is priced at around $30, which makes it an affordable option for users who are looking to improve their Wi-Fi signal coverage. The device can cover an area of up to 1,200 square feet, depending on the layout of your home or office. Overall, the RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender is a great option for users who are experiencing slow and unstable Wi-Fi signals in their homes or offices. It is an affordable and easy-to-use device that can significantly improve the range and speed of your wireless network. However, it is important to ensure that the device is compatible with your router before purchasing it. The RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender is a device designed to extend the range of your existing Wi-Fi network, allowing you to access the internet from areas of your home or office where the signal may be weak or non-existent. Here are some of the pros and cons of the RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender. Pros. Easy to set up. The RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender is easy to set up and configure. The device comes with a quick installation guide and can be set up in minutes, even if you have limited technical expertise. Improved Wi-Fi coverage. The range extender can extend the coverage of your existing Wi-Fi network, giving you access to the internet from areas of your home or office that were previously out of range. Dual-band support. The RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender supports dual-band Wi-Fi, which means you can use it with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. This allows you to enjoy faster internet speeds and a more stable connection. Affordable. The RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender is an affordable device that provides good value for money. It is an excellent choice for those who want to improve their Wi-Fi coverage without breaking the bank. Cons. Limited range. While the RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender can extend the range of your Wi-Fi network, its range is still limited. If you have a large home or office, you may need to purchase multiple range extenders to ensure adequate coverage. Speed reduction. The range extender can reduce the speed of your internet connection. This is because the signal is being transmitted over a greater distance, which can result in slower speeds. Compatibility issues. The RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender may not be compatible with all routers. This means that you may need to do some research before purchasing the device to ensure that it will work with your existing router. Setup issues. Some users have reported issues with setting up the RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender. This can be frustrating for those who are not technically proficient. Overall, the RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender is a decent option for those looking to extend their Wi-Fi signal on a budget. However, its limited range and speed may not make it suitable for larger homes or those with high-speed internet connections. The RE205 AC750 Wi-Fi range extender is best suited for individuals or households with a small to medium-sized living space, such as an apartment or a small house, where the Wi-Fi signal may not reach all areas of the home. This product is also a good option for those who are on a budget and do not want to invest in a more expensive router or mesh network system. However, if you have a larger living space or require faster internet speeds, the RE205 may not be the best option for you. It is important to consider the specific needs and requirements of your home or office before deciding on a Wi-Fi range extender or other networking equipment.